Hello everyone! In this video, I want to show you these watercolor brushes I received from the company Color It. This is a set of 24 brush pens and they come in a very nice travel case. There's a couple of ways to use them and I will show you in this video. The pen is made of a very sturdy and high quality plastic. They are color coded and they are refillable. One way to use them is to dip the brush tip in water. You will create a lighter shade with this technique that will allow you to create gradients very easily. You can also pick the pigment from the paper, but the initial mark won't fade easily since these are highly pigmented. Here I'm adding some paint to wax paper, which I'm going to pick up with the brush. The fun thing about these markers is that you can also mix colors. Putting a tip on top of the other will create a super fun effect. And now the demo. I've always wanted to draw a fairy house and this was the perfect medium for it. As you can see, I have a couple of water droplets that will help me lighten my colors a little bit. This was my favorite technique for this drawing. They were very easy to use and I had a lot of fun with it. This set would definitely make a great gift for the holidays. And you can order through www.colorit.com. I will leave the link in the description box in case you want to order something. They also sell watercolor paper, which is the one that I'm using for this illustration. One thing I forgot to mention is that they layer beautifully. Okay guys, I'll stop talking and let you enjoy this demo. Special thanks to Color It for sending me these goodies to show you guys. And as always, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you have questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.